Okay, so when Shadyflix stops working and you just get a black screen with the Kodi logo in the left top and the time in the right top, then go back to the home screen and go over to settings, go to applications, go to manage installed applications, go to Shadyflix, go to clear data, hit clear data again, then go up to launch application, go to programs, hit OK, go to program add-ons, go to God Wizard, go to plane. It'll start downloading. It's going to probably download a lot faster for you than for me. As you can tell by my internet speed here, it's really slow and really annoying. So what happened with Shadyflix is the skin that I used to make the Notflix build. What happened was Kodi made a update for the Titan skin, which is what I was using, and it made it so basically nothing worked. And yeah, so this is a temporary fix. I'll figure something else out later, but for now this will work. It's going to look different, but all the same add-ons are going to be there. And yeah, well, as soon as this gets done downloading, then it'll extract, and then we can reboot, and then I can show you. I haven't had a chance to do the adult content build, to redo the adult content build, so I should be able to do that Monday. Until then, yeah, I guess you're out of luck or whatever. And we're just about done downloading. Now you're extracting. Okay, now hit OK, hit yes, close, hit OK. What you have to do is unplug your Fire Stick for 5 seconds and plug it back in. So I'll do that. And I'm using a Amazon Fire TV. It's pretty much the same thing. So yours is going to say Amazon Fire TV Stick, since you're using the Fire Stick. And it should load up and go to the home screen. I don't know why this is taking so long. Okay. So, go to Shadyflix. You'll notice this build will load up a lot quicker. See, it's already loaded. It opens up into programs. You really don't need to do anything in programs, so just scroll over to videos, and then down here are all your add-ons. You get your Exodus, Zen, Specto 4, QK Turks playlist, Phoenix, Goodfellas, Oblivion streams, 123 movies, White Devil streams, Silent Hunter, Redemption, Pro Sport, Sports Devil, and UFC Finest. And yeah, so for example, we can go to Exodus, and the first time you go into Exodus, you're going to get this pop-up. It's a forced pop-up from TV add-ons in Exodus. It's annoying, but it only does this once. So after it's done, it'll go away, and then we'll go to movies. We'll go to people watching. Yours is probably going to work faster than mine because, like I said, I have slow internet. And the icons should pop up here. Yep, there we go. So, yeah, now you got your movies, and it'll do the same thing for TV shows. Yeah. Everything is there. It just looks different. So, there you go. Enjoy.